Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by enabling the Developer tab so the controls are available. Once done, go to Developer Insert Form Controls and click the checkbox control. Click the worksheet to place it. Make sure the checkbox sits within or next to the intended cell and delete the default label if you prefer text in the adjacent cell. You do this now because precise placement simplifies linking later. Positioning is why you prepare the cell first rather than inserting checkboxes randomly across the sheet. Now link the checkbox to a cell so it returns true or false. Right-click the control, choose Format Control, then set the cell link on the Control tab. Once linked, use that cell in formulas, for example IF, linked cell, done, pending, or convert true/false to 1/0 with equals, cell to feed calculations. You can copy checkboxes, but make sure each pasted checkbox has its cell link updated. Otherwise, multiple boxes will control the same linked cell, which is a common mistake. Finish by automating reactions to checkbox changes. Reference linked cells in conditional formatting, countif, sumifs, or dynamic lists to update status and totals automatically. Once set, protect the sheet but unlock checkbox cells so users can still toggle them. That prevents accidental formula edits. If things go wrong and a checkbox stops syncing, immediately check its Format Control cell link and reassign it. If problems persist, delete and reinsert the control to reset properties. That's simple.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.